how to add the hand torn in video effect. And this is going to be great for video intros if you are editing a video and you're using the CapCut Editor app. Let's go ahead and get started. Let's close this ad out. Now, assuming you want to add this at the start of your video, so you want to place this at the very beginning. Make sure this white line is there so that when you go to effects, which is where you want to go to, you'll go to video effects. And to find this the fastest way, you're going to type in the words hand torn in. All right, just go ahead and type that in and you will see the suggestion, which is this one here. Now, once you select it, you'll be able to adjust it. And the speed is basically how fast the video effect plays. So if you want it to play really fast, you'll bring it to the right. And if you want it to play much slower to have a rather longer intro, you can go ahead and leave it as that. Bring this down here and just kind of cancel this out. Press the check mark, and now you'll have your video intro here like this here. When you press play, you will notice this is going to happen, and that'll be your awesome video overlay intro. Now, you cannot really actually expand this, as it will basically just kind of just play slower and then stop and then play again. So it doesn't play any slower or longer. It'll just keep repeating, just so you know, so if you were thinking that. But it's going to make a great intro. It's pretty quick and easy. And of course, once you're done with all that, you can just save your video now as that, or continue your edits and have an awesome intro with barely anything of effort to do. Like and sub.